11. Find linked pages.
There are times when you want to find out who has referenced your blog or article on the web. And the surefire way to find out all the citations is by using this simple Google search trick. You just need to type link, and then add the URL in the Google search bar. For example, if I enter linkmedium.com web link GCP, then Google will throw all the web pages that have cited this particular article. How cool is that?
12. Search for terms in page's title.
InURL and AlineURL lets you search for terms in the URLs of web pages. Google searches for terms in URLs along with keywords in the content to provide you better results. The same trick you can use to filter out search results and get the most useful results quickly. For example, InURL Google shows only the results having Google in their URLs, and AlineURL Google Android app shows only the results having Google, Android and app in their URLs.
13. Search for terms in page's URL.
Related tells which are similar websites to the given websites. It's better to know similar sites if you're doing research on some product or website.
15. Search the web by specific country, time, or location.
Google's search tools allow you to set a custom time range for search results. Using this feature, you can set a minimum duration of 1 hour. What to do if you want to check out search results from the last half an hour? Here's another Google trick inside a trick. This trick involves playing with the browser's address bar to set a custom time that's not available as an option in the search tools. After the results page is loaded, edit the address and add NTBS equals QDRXN in the address bar and press Enter button, where X can be Y, years, M, months, D, days, H, hours, N, minutes, or S, seconds, and N is the number. For example, adding NTBS equals QDR in 30 to the address shows the results for the last 30 minutes.
17. Search images by specific size, color, type, time, or copyright.
Google offers you a choice filter to select what you're really looking for if the search terms get more than one type of information. For example, searching images for Charles bring you Prince Charles, Charles Manson, Charles by Shirley Jackson, etc., and you can select any of the categories to refine your search. Search tools, below the search bar, bring you more refinement options like size, color, type, time, and usage rights. You can filter the images for small or large sizes, grayscale, or any or full colors, face, or photo or clip art types appeared at what time, and is it free to use in your next big project.
18. Make advanced search.
Google's advanced search allows you to make the most of this search engine through a single page. It combines many of its search tricks, special features, and search tools under one hood. You can search using various operators, terms, file types, usage rights, language, and region, switch on the safe search and do much more using its advanced search feature. You can access the advanced search by clicking Settings Advanced Search at the bottom right of Google's homepage or directly by navigating to the advanced search page.
19. Check spelling.
Google can even check spellings for you. If you're not sure how to spell any word, then simply type it in Google's search box and Google will tell its correct spelling along with other information.
20. Get definitions, synonyms, antonyms, and pronunciations.
Define lets you ask definitions, get synonyms and antonyms, and listen to pronunciations of words. You can click on the small speaker icon located next to the word to listen to the pronunciation. For example, define obligatory gives you definition, synonyms, and pronunciation, and define obligatory antonyms lists its antonyms as well as other information.